Sick and tired of hearing me say this. Welcome to the video. My name is Agent Double Sonic, and in today's 60 seconds, we're going to draw Tish Katsufrakis. Let's go ahead and get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, the hard part is that I have to figure out how to do this proportionally without effing up. Well, someone does. See, the problem is proportions get away from me whenever I start doing this.
I mean, your face looks pretty good.
Oh. Once you have to actually like move it into details. And the problem is I'm not like directly on top of it, so. Oh. So I have to figure out how to do this. Very, 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 very small. And I don't have the timer. Oh, she's about to look real alien in a second. Oh, I'm running out of time. I know when I start running out of time when my screen dims.
Oh, sure.
I'm not out of time yet.
Sean, outro, take 5. Mark.
Here we are, after 60 seconds we have Tish Katsufrakis. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and until next time, or tomorrow actually, yeah, we're done here, we're just gonna fade to black. That was a bad outro.